Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at Unbounce. Unbounce is a landing page creator and a very good tool for digital marketers. So this is Unbounce, and you can see that Unbounce is a drag and drop landing page builder just like Instapage, and they are pretty well known in the market right now. So their pricing is a little bit different than Instapage, and if you look at the monthly plans, it starts with $99 a month for the basic plan, and then $199 for the premium plan, and $499 plus for the enterprise. So with $99 a month, you can create 75 different landing pages, and there is no restriction on the visits. So they have 500,000 visits, which is included in the $99 a month plan. So this is much higher compared to Instapage. So Instapage has just 30,000 visitors, and it costs $199 a month to start with. There are specific advantages with Instapage which you do not have in Unbounce, but if you are just looking for a slightly cheaper and easier to manage tool than Instapage, I would recommend Unbounce. So right now for my business, I am using both Unbounce and Instapage. And Instapage, I am using it for certain landing pages that I have. So this is the login area of Unbounce, and I will just give you an overview of what's there inside Unbounce. So here you can see a lot of landing pages are there, and this particular page, LDM Evergreen page, is the landing page to which I drive traffic for my digital marketing ad spends. So this particular URL is being advertised on Facebook and Google Ads, and I will open this page for you as well. So this is learndigitalmarketing.com, and here you can see this is the landing page. So there is an opt-in form, and there is some more details about the certificate that I am giving in. So as soon as people enter their name and email ID on this page, it is connected via Zapier through webhooks, and it goes to my ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign, which are my CRMs. So here you can see for this particular page, I have generated 351,000 visitors so far, and got 119,000 conversions, and this is only since the last reset. And they also have split test options where you can create a challenger page variant. So here you can see I have created 50-50, and half the visitors go to this page, half the visitors go to this version of the page, and you can see that this page is slightly converting better. And if you want to have a preview of this page, we can click a preview here, and you will be able to see that in one variation of the landing page I have added some testimonials, and in one variation I have not added testimonials. So here you can see there are some testimonials added in this landing page variation. So here if we visit the same page from a different computer or a different IP address, you will be able to see the alternate version of the landing page come up. So split testing options is also available on Instapage and almost any standard landing page tool. So here you can see page traffic mode is A/B testing. I can add more variants, and I can distribute the weightage as 25, 25, 25, 25 as well. And here is how the conversion graph looks like. So if I go into leads, then I will be able to see all the leads that I have generated through Unbounce and through this landing page. And here it will be listed. So there is a backup of all the leads I have generated inside Unbounce as well. And these leads have been sent to my CRM already, and people have started engaging with the emails that I have created. So here you can see all the leads that are coming in, and you can see whether it's mobile based on the source, and you can see when it was submitted. So here we have plenty of leads which have just come in 1 minute ago, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. If I go into integrations, then you can see we have native integrations with ActiveCampaign, Aweber, HubSpot. We don't have ConvertKit here yet. And then you have Zapier powered integrations, and Zapier is something that we discussed in the previous video, and you can see that I have added Zapier webhooks, which catches the data from here and puts it on my email marketing tool. So that is how this particular landing page is working right now. There is also pop-ups and sticky bars, which is part of Unbounce as an offering, and this particular offering is not available on InstaPage. So pop-ups and sticky bar is basically like an exit pop-up that you can create for your website, and you will start generating leads through it. So right now I'm using a tool called Opt-in Monster. I'm not using this particular tool. So here you can go ahead and look at the preview on how this particular pop-up looks. So you are getting two tools with a subscription of a single tool. So I had created something like this, where this is like an exit pop-up, and you can put an exit intent on it, and you can start generating leads through pop-ups and sticky bars as well. So this is pop-up, and sticky bar is something that is displayed at the top of the screen, and you can add an opt-in form there as well. We have integrations. We have MailChimp, Aweber, and whatever integrations we want to do. Just like InstaPage, we have domains as well, the different domains that we have in our account. You can add multiple users, and then you have settings as well. So inside settings, you will be able to get the script manager, embed code, and whatever you need. The drag and drop builder of Unbounce is very similar to InstaPage. So if I have to create a new page, then I will just click on create new. And the best part about Unbounce is that the number of visitors that it can handle is a lot. So here you can see 28,394 visitors consumed out of 500,000, and this is something that I am sharing it with an agency that is being run by my friend, and we have plenty of page views still available, and there is no restrictions on the number of page views. There is a restriction on the number of pages we can create. However, on InstaPage there is no restriction on the number of pages you can create. There is a restriction on the number of visitors that you get to your website. So here you can see there are many pre-built templates. So I can select one particular template, and I can get just started with this template. So I will just do test Unbounce. So if I click on start with this template, then I will be able to go ahead and edit the template as I see fit. So there is a background image, there are elements. If I want to add an element, I just have to drag and drop it. If I double click this, I can edit the text here. As you can see, I can edit the text again. I can drag these elements around, and I can go ahead and add text, images, buttons. So if I want to add a button, I will just drag it like that, and I can go ahead and configure the button. So here you can see there is a way to configure the button, like I can put a gradient on it, I can change the colors on it as well. So if I go ahead and let's say this is the base color, I can go ahead and choose the base color, and then I will have a gradient here. So and then this can be linked as well. So this is how Unbounce works, and very similar to InstaPage, much differently priced than InstaPage, and depending on your business needs, if you think that Unbounce would be better for you, then I would recommend you to go ahead and start using Unbounce. So that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.